Hey everybody, today is Friday, June 9th, 2023 in sunny San Diego, California, and I'm Captain Perry here with you. Now if you're new to the channel, beside me here is a Scow Bow Mini-Cruiser that I'm building. Basically my mission here is to build a strong, trailerable, 14-foot sailboat that's watertight and custom built to cross oceans. Now in the last episode you saw me make hatch number 1, that's the most forward hatch, that makes up a good portion of the cabin sole in the boat. And I decided I think I can squeeze in one more video before I leave for Japan. So what I'm going to try to do this time is cut the holes in the hatch that I need, attach the catch for the latch, and do a little painting. So let's get to it. Oh yeah, and before we begin, I want to ask you to please subscribe. I have a goal to get to 10,000 subscribers before the end of this summer, 2023. So please subscribe and stick around. All right, now let's get to it. All right, I have carefully measured out my holes here. So I'm going to have 10 holes along these two lines, which are 41 centimeters from the edge, or 16 inches, and they're spaced 11 centimeters apart, or 4 1/3 inches. The size of hole I've chosen for this is 1 1/4 inch, and this says that's 32 millimeters. And the positioning of the holes, we'll put them right over this center compartment so that if we do happen to get some water in through the main hatch, it'll just drain right into that center compartment instead of sloshing around in the cabin and very slowly making its way into whatever compartment it wants. First up, pilot holes. All right, let's do another dry fit. Make sure we got these semicircles cut correctly. If you want to see how these latches were made, it's in episode 25. Looks good. All right, I've got hatch number 1 set up here and a thin brush, and I'm just going to coat all the exposed foam edges with epoxy and attach the catches for the latches, which go back here. And then just on the leading edge here, I'm going to attach a thin strip of fiberglass. Fiberglassing done. I'll come back in 8 hours, clean it up, and do some painting. Okay, the first coat is done, and this is an oil-based paint, so I'm patiently waiting the 24 hours to put on a second coat. I'll do that tonight, and I'll let you jump to the results. All right, that second coating is on and dry. Second coating always makes all the difference. It looks beautiful. So now we're ready for a final test fit. Now if you want to access anything from here, you simply undo the latches, lift up just a little, slide aft an inch, and push up here. And then you can even fit a 6-gallon water jug in here.
Also capable sailboat.
Thanks for watching. I'm glad I could fit in some extra work and get a video out to you before leaving for Japan. As you can see, I've arrived in Kawasaki, Japan now. I'm heading off to Shikoku, the smallest of Japan's 4 main islands, tomorrow. And I'll try to get some good footage of traditional boats if I can find any, or any other marine things. Now I'm going to show you my cameraman, my buddy here. What's your name?
Hi, I am Tavia. We have a cool movie theater.
Oh, wait. And tell me, what's the best thing about Kawasaki, Japan?
We have a big theater and sorry, we have a cool movie theater and big shopping mall.
Okay, thanks. As always, if you'd like to support the project, there are a bunch of links you can check out down in the description. If nothing else, hit the like button, leave a comment, and make sure you're subscribed. All right, guys, I will see you in the next one.
Well, let's make all preparations for getting underway.
Hey, what's your name, buddy?
Home.
Finally get back to your station, or I'll have you shot from this air. Well, shoot something.